snowy day, I wanted to go ahead and take you guys along with me to let you see what I do throughout the day. I took these Aqua Rail antibacterial wipes and wiped myself off because I did not get a shower this morning. I will be showering in the night. Because I'm a female, I do sweat underneath my tummy and underneath my breast. This is a whole body deodorant for pits, privates, and beyond. Aluminum free for 72-hour control, and it helps me stay fresh. Once I get out of bed, I like to wash my hands with my Bath and Body Works soap. I also go in with this butter face cleanser in the morning that is made for melanin skin. Then I go in and I wipe it off with my towel. Now I'm going to go in with my lash cleaner and go ahead and clean my lash. And then I'm going to go ahead and scrape my tongue. Y'all, this is a game changer. If you do not scrape your tongue, try to let me know what you think. Now I'm going in with the brush for the lashes to go ahead and clean any of the excess things overnight that has accumulated in them. And then I'm going to go behind with this brush and this sponge and put it on. Then I like to go in with my deodorant, which I use Degree, and then I'm going in with this vitamin E oil, my collagen lift, and go ahead and get this in on my face. Making sure that I got everything off my lashes, of course. And then I'm going to go in with my collagen body lotion, and I just put it everywhere throughout myself to last throughout the day. And then I'm going in with my Milani lip butter. Now I'm going to go into Zanaya's room. I had to finish putting up wallpaper because we did change her room around for a spring refresh. Once I get all of this done, then I'm going to put her bed back into place. And then I am going to place her daily affirmations in a picture frame and place them on top of her desk. Once I get that done, I'm going to go ahead and vacuum my drawers out. I did make a quick run to the Dollar Tree to get some organizational tools and things that I needed for organizing all of my pens in this drawer. I'm taking my Shark handheld vacuum to get any trash or any food items, because I do eat at my desk, that have fallen throughout in the vacuum. So this is what I am doing here I am at the Dollar Tree picking up a few things. They had a Lonnie New, you guys. Oh my god, they only had a few flavors, but I did pick up a couple and put them in a cart, of course. So this is what the snowy day looks like. Here we are. Yeah, it was so much snow. I think about 16 inches we did end up getting. The sun did start coming out and melting it as well. So here I am in the office area getting all of these things organized. Y'all, it was a mess up here, but I wanted to go ahead and get it organized. I did also get these gold baskets from the Dollar Tree. I think I'm going to pick up a few more because they really did come in handy with organizing my planners and books and my daily Bible studies that I like to do. So here I am transferring everything that I have office wise to this these acrylic containers that I got from the Dollar Tree. Now you can get these from Amazon, or you can just run to your local Dollar Tree, or you can get them from Temu or Shein, if whatever your preference is. But I did go to the Dollar Tree because that fit on my budget. So here I am organizing pencils and things of that nature in here, but I do end up moving them out. I have to have these for the kids for when they have homework. So here I am. I also made me a little snack area, you guys, which I was super proud of. And it came out so cute. I have these Sunbelt chocolate chip bars, my candies here, and then I'm going to also put some apple juices up in here for just easy access, or when I am thirsty or when I am hungry. It's just a quick snack that's in arm's reach. So that's what I'm doing now. Next, I'm going to go ahead over here to the bookshelf where I keep my nail supplies, and I'm going to put these in these little $1.25 cotton cubicles that I got from the Dollar Tree. I like to see things organized, but if I don't see it, it does better for my mind. I'm taking this same Shark handheld vacuum and vacuuming off the bookshelf. This is how it turned out, you guys. I was super proud of everything that got accomplished on this day. I'm also going to go ahead and clean my bathroom as well. But you guys, this area is just amazing, amazing, amazing. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it so much. And this is how the bookshelf came out with the nail stuff. It's actually just a bookshelf. It was in Savannah's room. I pulled it out and I used it in my little area, y'all. But I love how everything came out. Like, I really, really do love it. So snowy days are meant for organizing for sure. And here I am now going in the bathroom. I got these little push storage containers for lotions and things of that nature for my skincare routine that I do daily, twice a day. I do it in the morning and I do it at night. So here I am, just go ahead and put my labels on there and then showing you that it does score out. So this was just organizing that I wanted to get done. The bottles were just becoming a little bit overwhelming to keep looking at, so I wanted to get something small and simple that I could store um these particular items in. And here is Zaya. She is helping me with the shower fizzers. So I found some shower fizzers from the Dollar Tree, and I am just restocking these up and refilling everything up. This is my Maylee's B flat stomach serum, and then my B flat for the arm, B flex for the arms, and then I have one for the butt and thighs as well. So I'm just transferring them from the bottle into this. Here I am just cleaning down the tub with my OXO tub scrubber. It really helps the back, you guys, from having to bend over. So a little hack here, I'm going in with a toilet wand Clorox thing. I do not put this one particularly in the toilet. I have one in the toilet separate for that, but here I am just using it for the sinks, and the one that was in the bathroom I used for the toilets. So here I am rinsing the sinks down and getting all of this done. Sorry it's all over the place, guys, but I did want you guys to see what I get done on a snowy day. I don't know what it is about the snow, but it does make you want to kind of organize things and get things back into place. So here I am. I did restock the toilet paper, and I did restock napkins and paper towels, and that was just a Lysol toilet gel tab to keep the toilet fresh. And here I am now just using this little squeegee and wiping off the excess cleaner with this rag here. I do clean the outside of my glass, and I do clean the inside of my glass with this same OXO brush. And sorry it's all over the place, y'all. Savannah was filming for me. She did an amazing job, and I really appreciate her help. So in the comments, make sure you tell Savannah, give her a shout out, guys, and let her know that she did a good job. But here I am now inside the tub, rinsing it down, inside the shower, rinsing it down. Y'all, it needed clean. Like, I will put the tub off from being clean for weeks, but once I get tired of looking at it, I do go in. It's just the human nature in all of us. We don't want to do a lot of things, and we tend to put them off until we get ready to do it. So what I'm doing is taking the squeegee and now the glass cleaner and cleaning the glass, y'all. I love when that glass shines. I love when that glass is clean. So here I am just wiping the outside of the shower down as well. Of course, I had to sweep and get all of the excess dust and nastiness from the carpet that fell out. We did shake out, and now I am going over it with my old cedar mop and giving it a good smell. Y'all, it smells so clean in here, like bleach. Yes, 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 yes. And so I'm putting down the rugs back in the bathroom, and here is how the bathroom looked. I was super, super excited. If you didn't know, we are going on vacation to Vegas, so we are cleaning in cleaning mode and getting things straight mode for sure. And so here is how everything turned out. I love the way it came out. I love that it's clean. I love that I was able to finally get in here and get that done, you guys. So with all that being said, I'm going to get ready to fix me a nice, warm, hot, steamy bath. I have not taken a bubble bath in so long, and after a day of organizing all day, I was like, this is the perfect way to end the night. So I did go ahead and light my bergamot candle, and I lit my sleep candle just to make it all relaxy in the bathroom once I got done running the water. But guys, it was definitely needed, and I'm glad I got it done. So here I am. I'm using my flower mold ice tray. I actually ordered some more from Amazon, I'm going to put it in my Fresca strawberry drink, and I'm going to go ahead and add a mango one in as well with fresh strawberries that's in there and mango. So I'm using the Sleep Body Wash and lavender body oil for the tub and some salt.
Let me be right by your side, 'cause I know that this is right. Don't be shy, just get to know me. We can take this somewhere else. You and me can find out.